Hi, uh, in this video we will talk about Python object types. From here, our tour of the Python language will begin. So, in an informal sense, in Python we do things with stuff. Uh, Here, things is the operation we are going to perform, like addition, compress, comparison, etc. And step are the objects on which we perform those operations. So in Python, data takes the form of objects, either built-in objects that Python provides, or objects we create using classes or external language tools such as C extension libraries. So, so Python program can be decomposed into modules, statements, expressions, and objects, such as programs are composed of modules. Modules contain statements. Statements contains expression, and expressions create and process objects. So in Python, data takes the form of objects, either built-in objects that Python provides or objects we create using Python, like external language tools such as extension library, C extension libraries. So, uh, so the built-in data types that are in Python are numbers, then string, then list, tuples, dictionaries, uh, files, and there are other code types. So these other code data types we are going to explain in the further videos. So let's see how numbers can be in uh, decimal form, floating numbers like these, binary, and other strings can be written as in double quotes, single quotes, and triple quotes. So it can be, for example, Python. Well, list here can be shown inside this square brackets. Tuples within brackets. Dictionaries can be written in the form of can be written like this. Can the curly brackets and files are the files like abc.txt or anything. Any file can be treated as a file object. So file object is basically uses, for example, if we assign my file is equal to open abc.txt, and we are reading this. So this will call as a file object. So when we talk about the Python objects, so there is no type declaration in the Python. Like if you ever learned C, so where we need to declare uh, any variable, whether it's going to be a string, a number, an array, anything. So we need to declare the type before we assign any variable, any value to this variable. Here in Python, we can directly assign anything to. Everything in Python is an object, and everything can have attributes and methods. So in Python, everything is an object in the sense that it can be assigned to a variable or passed as an argument to a function. So in the next video, we will talk about these objects in detail. So I think this concludes this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.